In this tutorial, we will learn the tool called Extend Surface. Basically, we will be using this tool to extend one of the existing surface. Let's first create a sketch and a dummy surface that we want to extend. So let's say we created this polygon, then we use the extruded surface to create the surface. Now we have this hexagon. What we want to do is use the extend surface to extend one of these existing surfaces. Click on the extend surface, select the surface you want to extend. Now there are two things that you can do. One, let's say if you want to extend only one side of the edge of that surface, select that edge. So if you select this edge, it will only extend this surface. Or if you want to extend it on the both sides, you can select the whole surface altogether. It will extend on both sides. And when you're done, click OK, and now you have an extended surface. For one of them, where you have selected the edge, it has extended only to that edge side, and for the one where you have selected the surface, it has extended on both of the sides. Now on the extend surface, there are two other options, which is up to a point and up to a surface. This is similar to what you had during the extrude surface. Just as an example, let's create a reference plane first. Say it is somewhere here, and let's say on this surface we have a second surface, which is this. We can create a simple surface by using this planar surface, and just by selecting that one, we will create OK, and now you will see there's another surface has been created. So now select the extend surface, select the one surface you want to extend. Let's say I'm selecting this edge, and let's say this edge, and let's select up to surface. If you select this surface, you will see it has extended till the surface we have created on a different plane.